Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. Lina Nail Art recently released 4 new stamping plates and I purchased 3 of them from Nail Artisan here in the UK. Each stamping plate will have its own swatch video, so in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing Lina Nail Art Stained Glasstic 01. As always, you can find information on where to purchase from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and please make sure you have the bell notification on, and please also like this video. These things really do help out my channel. Thank you. So I have my usual stamper and scraper along with 5 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto. For the first swatch I'll be using a purple coloured nail tip along with a light pink stamping polish. Now with all of these images I've just added them to plain backgrounds just so that you can see what they look like with all of their detail. But this is a gorgeous floral image just waiting to be filled in with colour, and the colour would bring it to life. It's gorgeous. For the next swatch I'll be using a light green coloured nail tip along with a sparkly dark green stamping polish. Also with these images I watch out for any of the little lines coming back onto the nail, as they can be difficult to remove and spoil the image. I've had it happen many a time and it is very annoying, but another beautiful image with a lot of detail. For the next swatch I'll be using a yellow coloured nail tip along with a coral stamping polish. This is a new colour combination. I'm still not 100% sure on it. I'm still getting used to it. This image would look amazing filling the toucan bird in with colour and the leaves. It would look fantastic. Again, a lot of detail, but a really nice image. For the next swatch I'll be using a light blue coloured nail tip along with a denim blue stamping polish. Again, this is another new colour combo for me. I recently did a mani using this colour combo which you might have seen, and I wasn't sure so I thought I would try again. But again, another very pretty image which would come to life with any added extra colour. For the next swatch I'll be using a light pink coloured nail tip along with a neon pink stamping polish. Now even though these images are screaming out for colour, an image like this one I honestly would leave it blank. I just think it's so pretty. You can see one of the images filled in with colour with the mani that I've created, and you'll see that much later on. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches, a mani that I've created from Lina Nail Art Stained Glasstic 01. Lina Nail Art Stained Glasstic 01 is just stunning. It's a new range Lina have brought out and I can't think of any stamping plate like it. It is just brilliant. There is 29 large images and then at the bottom there is 2 small butterflies, which you could use them on their own, but you could also use it as one image. When I first saw this stamping plate, I just knew it had to be in my collection, and it honestly hasn't disappointed me at all. With these images, you could fill them in like stained glass windows, or add them over a multicoloured background, or just leave them on plain backgrounds. I know that a stamping plate like Stained Glasstic 01 is going to be super popular, and I don't think I've seen it on social media much yet. I can't wait to return because there is so many images that I want to use, and to be fair, I don't think there is an image that I wouldn't use in the future. Each image has a lot of detail in them, which is another reason why I've just used the plain background so that you could see it all in its glory. Stained Glasstic 01 is going to be a reverse stamping heaven. Unfortunately, I've not cracked it yet, but you could also use alcohol inks, Sharpie pens. There is just so many options. I think this stamping plate is a must-have. I've not had any new Lina plates since autumn 2018, so quite a while, and I was super excited about these new ones. I will be getting the 4th one as well very soon. The other 2 will be my next 2 videos coming to my channel, so stay tuned for them. But I love Stained Glasstic 01, and as it's 01, I can't wait to see what they put on 02. So for the mani, I've used a white gel polish as my base colour, and I've stamped in black. I've then used my Sharpie pens to fill in some of the detail. I didn't fill it all in. I was going to, but I decided just to fill in the flowers and the leaves. I didn't know what colour to fill in the rest, to be honest, and I haven't created a mani like this for some time, but I absolutely love doing them and I love how this one's turned out. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the mani and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I'd be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on the Lina Nail Art Stained Glasstic 01. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.